Alright guys, so working on the Phaeton. Going to be changing the expansion bottle for the antifreeze. So it's going to be two Torx 30. The one at the top here, which you see right here. And then there's another one at the bottom in the front. Right there. See that? So that's going to be under here. That's kind of hard to see, but it's down here. I'm going to remove this, the air box on the passenger side, so we can have better access. Alright, now that we have access, you can see the screw. It's going to be right here. See that? It's right there. So that's the second T30 Torx to be removed, so we can take out the expansion tank. So now that I've got all the Torx screws released, I have the air box on the passenger side removed, so we're going to start removing the hoses at the top, and then we're going to go towards back here, remove this hose as well, connection, so we can bring this out. Alright guys, so this is one of the areas on the expansion tank. See this, how that piece is loose. So this can introduce air into the tank without you knowing. See that? See that piece is broken at the bottom. See that rip? So you gotta be careful when you inspect and find out that you're having overheating issues and air is getting in the tank. Okay, so I've removed that. As I just said before, this is the reason why you can get air inside your cooling system, even though you may have changed the thermostat and it starts to overheat every now and again, and you are driving and you raise the RPM, then it goes back down. I've transferred this from here to this one, so now I'm gonna pull out the coolant tank. I'm going to loosen up the hoses at the bottom and drain it out, and I should be able to switch it out pretty easily. Stay tuned. Okay, what I did over here is I used pliers for the clamp, and I pressed it hard, squeezed it, and moved it up to the end so that I can squeeze this and rock it back and forth, so I can, get it off of the hose there. You use that technique, and I'm gonna repeat that on the other ones. I did that on these as well. I'm gonna work on the larger ones at the bottom. All right, so finally got it out after removing the hose here on this end. And I had to, gingerly slide it and tilt it to come out and pull it out this way. And, then it'll come out. So I still have some antifreeze in there. I lost just a little bit, so I'm going to keep it in there. And then once I transfer the new one into its spot, connect the hose, then I can just pour the antifreeze from in here back there and then top it off. Reverse the process. So make sure you like and subscribe. Definitely appreciate those who have subscribed so far. We got over 500, so our next journey is 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. I think I'm at 1,500 right now, so I need at least 3,000. So continue to like and subscribe, share the video. Check out the videos that I have. I have a lot of good content. My titles may not be as catchy, or the thumbnails, but it's great content. Some of it is also, amusing, fun to watch. A lot of it is educational. A lot of good hacks and tricks I got in there, because I usually am able to circumvent what the manual says or other people may do. So again, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, so as you can see, I got the new one in. It's the old one on the ground with the antifreeze in it. So I got the new one in. So far I got this piece down here. And there's a little piece here that you have to make sure you hook on the side of the windshield washer fluid. This hook here hooks on both sides, and there's a little slot on both sides that it slides into. You put it back in. Alright. There's a nub at the back that goes right off the chassis here. Let's see. So right here, that nub that goes back locks onto the chassis. Hooks onto the chassis and the fender. Alright, so the rest of this is just plug and play, getting it back together. Like and subscribe.